Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel, and this is our new series on building a website, this time using the Hostinger AI Builder. In this series, we're going to cover step by step exactly how to create a website using this new builder. And we'll talk about the pros and cons of using all of these as well. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest web development tips and tutorials. So let's get started. So the Hostinger's AI's website builder is a tool that uses AI to help you create a website quickly and easily. Even if you have no coding experience, the website builder asks you to answer a few questions about your business and your goals, and the AI will generate a custom website for you. You can then customize the website to your liking using the drag and drop editor. So it makes it really easy to quickly get a website, but that's usable and really good for users to use as well. It's fast, really easy to use, it's customizable, it's mobile friendly, and it's quite affordable as well because the Hostinger's AI website builder is included in all of their hosting plans, which starts just at $199 a month. Some features of the website builder include AI generated content. The website builder can generate unique content for your website, such as product descriptions, blog posts, and landing pages. Some AI-powered tools. The content website builder also includes a variety of AI-powered designs that can help you create a professional-looking website without having to hire a designer. And the builder can also help you optimize your website for search engines so that you can get more traffic. There's also e-commerce options and features that make it really easy to create an online store. So if you're looking for a fast, easy, and affordable way to create a website, Hostinger's AI website builder is a great option. It's really easy using the professional website builder. It's all you need to do is submit your brand name, choose your website type, detail your business, and then personalize your website. So we are going to get started with the website builder. You can try it for free. If you click on the try for free button, we are going to let the AI create our website in minutes. So we're going to click on start creating. And they're just going to ask a little bit of questions about our site. So we're going to enter our brand name, and we're going to do the website type. So is it an online store, a blog, portfolio, or other? We are going to do a blog. Or you can also do a business showcase to kind of see where everything's at. And we are going to write a few notes on what our brand or what our project is. And we're going to create a website. So AI will then take all of your website details and create a website that's already built out for you with font styles, a layout, all of that. Some tips for using the AI website builder is to be as specific as possible when answering questions about your business and website goals, and this helps the AI generate a more accurate and relevant website for you. Don't be afraid to experiment with the different design options. The AI website builder includes a variety of pre-made templates and elements, but you can also customize the website to your liking. Once you're finished customizing, be sure to preview it and on different devices as well. So here we go, we have our website here, and we have our different AI as well. So you can rate how your site is. You can go back to the AI forum if you wanted a different option. You can change the styling as well from here, and you can really play around with how you want your site to look. Obviously, you're not going to get the site immediately correct. The whole point of it is it gives you a starting point, and you then fill in the different content yourself. So you can do full edit mode and decide how you want to do your plan. So as mentioned before, the Hostinger does have a lot of different templates that you can use and customize. If you click on blank templates, you can go to the AI generated template and start building using the AI, similar to how we did before, and you can click on add sections to add different sections of your website. You can start off with this blank template and use AI to help build some of your sections for you as well, and also make them responsive on different mobiles and spaces as well. Overall, it's really easy to get started with the Hostinger AI Builder. In our next few videos, we will talk a little bit more about choosing a template and using the AI Builder to build a template and also edit our template as well. So if you don't want to miss out on that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated on that as well. Any questions or comments, leave them in the section below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. We'd love to hear from you guys. So as always, stay well and see you in the next one.